Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners. So I'm going to run through some of the altcoins just real quick. Please check out the Bitcoin video tonight just about mania tops and blow-offs, and we might be experiencing it in some of these coins, and you'll understand these key levels. I'm going to point them out on some of these other charts. Ethereum ran up through our next levels, the upside, got up to 510, then also the collapse back down. So what are we watching for now? We have the rotation zone against us in the 0.5 and 0.625 levels. We're not going to watch for the stabilization until it gets back above 474, or we get a key reversal pattern, which has not happened. The rotation zone in Ethereum now is against us on the 4-hour chart. Let's check in on the daily. On the daily, we're now below the 8, the top of the rotation zone. Key support's coming in about 390 at this point. So that's what we're going to be watching for the next level down. IOTA reached up through our 141.85 level, so that is complete. Just shy of this 155 level, getting 154.11, then its big collapse. Also, we have that key mania top level. We'll be watching for a close above 136.44 before this gets stabilized. It's holding between. It did close at below the rotation zone, but now it's holding back in it. If we continue to sell off, the next major level on the 4-hour chart is about 100.75. Let's check in on the daily chart. It almost came down to test the 8 EMA on the daily chart, the top of the rotation zone. If we break below that, the next major level is 0.96. Looking over at Litecoin. Litecoin also exceeded our 96.74 level and the prior levels at 95.59. So all those are done. Bunch of these key levels are all done. Let me just reformat this to take off that. And all right, so we have this key mania top levels. Need to close above 92.41. Key resistance at 88.94. It's now below the rotation zone, and it looks like we're going to get the first cross. So this is major resistance up in this area, so watch for that. It's also below the 50 EMA. Let's switch over to the daily chart. Daily chart, it's holding back above the top of the rotation zone, but spiked down to the bottom. So if we get a close back below about this 83.50 level, we'll then be watching for the lower prices, possibly back down to retest this 75 level. And if that is broken, then the next major level below that is 72. Finally, over to Monero. Also, big sell-off. Went through all our key levels above 200. Didn't quite get to 211. Got to 208. And then started its big sell-off. So what are we looking for now? Again, our key closing levels back above 106.39. It's holding now below 179, which is the 50% retracement of a mania top level. We're about to get the first cross rotation zone, so major resistance about between 177 and 179. So that's what we're looking for, holding right now at the 50. Let's check in on the daily. Daily, pretty much right at the top of the rotation zone on the daily. If we go back down, the next major support coming in about 145 to 143 if these levels don't hold here. Again, we're being very patient on these. We're not rushing to buy. We need some high probability reversal patterns at key levels, and then we have to see it get above these key 62.5 retracement levels I've talked about. And please refer to the Bitcoin video that also came out today to have a better understanding of a key pattern we are watching for. That's what we have for you. Like, subscribe, let us know how you're doing. It's a big day, lots of volatility. We talked about this in earlier videos this week about not getting caught off guard, knowing where your stops are, and knowing how you're going to deal with this when it did happen. We were getting it overextended from the rotation zones, and now we're finally pulling back. We just don't know if it's over or if it's going to pause temporarily or if it's going to head lower. That's why we're going to keep charting. That's why we'll keep updating our channel and keep coming back for more. Talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.